Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are making this super cool acrylic pour using metallic colors with the flip cup technique. The colors I'm using are Rose Shimmer, Plum, the Sweet Ice Blue, Solid Bronze, Pure Gold, and Sapphire, all from Folk Art. Ooh, look at the colors. If you want to watch how I layered my colors, it will be at the end of this video. Now I am going to lift my canvas and put it on top of my cup. I'm going to place my hand on the top and flip it. Allow your colors to fall to the bottom. I just give it a little swirl and lift your cup. Ooh, look at all the metallic sails. I'm going to use my torch lighter to pop out all the air bubbles before I stretch this. I decided to go with a hot pink base to go around the bare areas of the canvas to help the pour stretch. It's time to stretch it. You just kind of want to guide your pores towards your corners and your edges. You can kind of rock it from left to right and front to back. I'm going to try not to lose a lot of this picture because I think it's pretty cool with these metallic colors in it. Just have fun with it. You're going to waste a lot of paint when you do acrylic pours, so I'm just going to warn you now. But it's super fun. I'm just taking some of the drippings and touching up the corners and the edges where there might be an empty spot. So I'm taking my torch lighter and I'm going around the painting again. I just want to make sure I got all the air bubbles out, and actually it will bring up some more sails as well. Alright, here's the final painting. Look at the sails on here. The metallic colors look awesome. The hot pink really went good with this. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See ya! Here is a quick video on how I layered my cup for this pour. Enjoy!